Hey guys, so I'm currently on 7th day of having chicken pox here in my dorm. And honestly, this has been such a challenging experience. That's why today's video, I'll be sharing the things I wish I knew before getting chicken pox. From the surprising symptoms, from the remedies that actually work for me, and the important do's and don'ts. If you are going through the same thing, I hope this helps you. Ganito kasi yun. Una, hindi ko yung expect na chicken pox pala magsisimula sa parang simpleng lagnat at body pain. Kasi, ayun, alam mo yung akala mo pagod ka lang kasi sobrang dami mong ginawa the whole day. Pero, ayun nga, tapos kinabukasan, biglang lumabas yung mga rashes isa-isa. Not a rashes, but a blister. Yung maliit na may, ano yung tawag doon? Basta may tubig. Isa lang siya lumabas sa may likod ko. Then, ang pinaka hindi ko kinaya, yung sobrang kate, lalo na sa gabi. At hindi lang skin ang affected. Ang hina rin ng katawan ko, parang drain kahit maliit lang nagalaw. Back again, what really helped me was drinking lots of water and fluids to stay hydrated. Like this one, I have tumbler in my side every day to make my body stay hydrated. It's 900 ml. Nakakaubos ako neto guys. 2 beses sa isang araw. So maganda yung lagi na inom kayo. Taking lukewarm or oatmeal baths to calm the itchiness. Siguro, hindi ko pa natatry yung oatmeal baths, pero I try yung lukewarm. It really helps me kasi, alam mo yun, hindi super lamig, yung sakto lang, tsaka hindi naman kumakate yung mga chicken pox ko pag naliligo ako ng lukewarm. So, yan, lagi kayo maligo ng lukewarm. Wag malamig ha, kasi the more na super lamig, the more na kumate yung mga chicken pox. Applying lotion or soothing cream on the rashes. I never do that, yung applying lotion or cream or something. Kasi, feeling ko kasi mag-irritate yung mga chicken pox, you know. So, that's not advisable. Pero, siguro, Aveeno lotion after mag-heal lahat. So, and then, eating light, healthy food, nothing oily or spicy. Wala namang bawal na kainin pag may chicken pox. Pero, kasi mayroon tayo dito sa loob ng mouth natin, magkakaroon tayo ng, ng chicken pox din. I don't know, pero para kang may singaw, ganun yung feeling. Tapos, every time na kumakain ka ng maasim, na salty, ganyan lahat, nag-trigger siya. So, iwas na lang din para hindi na mag-trigger yung pangangate or hapde sa mouth natin. Tsaka sa throat, sa throat natin, anong tawag dito? Yung sa throat, mahirap ka kumain, pero kaya yun, mga dry foods, I mean yung mga healthy food yung kainin mo. Kasi ngayon, ako, ang kinakain ko the whole day and the whole week na pag-stay is puro gulay. So, ayun din, importante din yung mayroon ka ding rest. So yan, that's the one important.
What?
Tama ba?
Get some help.
Basta yan yung importante, magpahinga ka din paminsan-minsan. Pero grabe, sobra na yung pahinga ko. Charis! So, even if you feel bored or stuck, resting really makes a big difference in recovery. So, ayun, mga natutunan kong importante. Sorry sa background, super ingay. Kasi alam niyo yun, pag sobrang tahimik no place, dun mo mas naririnig yung mga Charis. So, ayun nga, yung mga natutunan kong importante. Do wear loose and comfy clothes. Ito, maluwag, super luwag. Hindi naman super luwag, pero maluwag sa akin. Ayan. Yun yung importante para meron breathable, nakakahinga yung mga chicken pox mo sa loob ng katawan mo. So, importante yun para iwas katide. Drink lots of water. Stay clean at kumain ng healthy. Like what I said kanina, dun sa mga remedies, diba? Na, back again, what really helped me was drinking lots of water. Drink a lot of water para stay hydrated. And, dapat lagi din kayo maligo. Yun. Ako, naliligo naman ako. Ay! Charis. So, ayan. Do rest. Bigyan mo yung katawan mo ng time mag-heal. Ayun. Syempre, kailangan mo din, I don't know how to do that. Pero, ako kasi, ito talaga yung mga dapat iwasan. Ayan. Don't stretch kahit super kate, baka magka-scar. Ayan, ito yung mga nasa mukha ko. Hindi ko yan kinakate. Like, tap lang pag super kate niya talaga. Ayun, basta don't eat oily or junk food. Mas tatagal ang healing. Don't stress, lilipas din to. Pero pagod ako. Charis! Pero ayun nga. Ayun, sa 7th day ko, naiisip ko na din na super tagal gumaling. Pero ayun nga, lilipas din to. Like, 7th day na nga sa akin eh. Ayun, tuyo na yan lahat. And yung sa body ko, meron pa ring part na hindi pa pumuputok. So, anyways, yan lang. Yun yung do and do's. Okay? Sa mga viewers ko na may chicken pox or tag dito, paparating pa lang, eto, panoorin nyo to, okay? So, those are the things I really wish I knew before getting chicken pox. If you had chicken pox before, let me know in the comments. What remedies work for you?
You want him to do you so much you.
Oh, maybe your tips can help others too. And if you're watching this while you're sick right now, don't worry, it will pass. Just take care of yourself and be patient with the healing process. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real life vlogs and experiences. Stay safe!